Having trouble with the Instagram ad mention feature not working on Android? Here's how to fix it quickly. First, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and if there's an update available, tap Update. If updating doesn't fix the issue, try clearing the cache and data. Go to Settings, then Apps, find Instagram, and tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache and Clear Data to remove temporary files and reset the app. Reopen Instagram after doing this. If the issue persists, it could be a server issue with Instagram. Check if Instagram is down by visiting a website like downdetector.com. If Instagram is experiencing problems, you'll need to wait for them to fix it. Once Instagram is back up and running, you should be able to use the ad mention feature without issues. If this helped, tap like, leave a comment if it worked for you, and subscribe for more Instagram and Android tips.